Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring Python and a virtual environment exist. This isolates your work and avoids conflicts. Once done, create and activate an env using conda or venv because reproducibility matters. Then install Jupyter Notebook with pip or conda so dependencies match your Python. Make sure to verify installation by running Jupyter version. That confirms the app is available. Finally, navigate to your project folder in the terminal so the notebook server serves the right files. You'll now launch the server and learn efficient interactions. Start Jupyter from the activated env and it opens a browser at localhost. If a tab doesn't open, copy the URL token into your browser. Create a new Python 3 notebook, rename the file, and structure with Markdown for notes and code cells for experiments. Run cells with Shift plus Enter to iterate quickly. Use kernel right arrow restart when globals get messy. This pattern keeps results reproducible and your session predictable. You'll finish by preserving and sharing your work so others reproduce it. Save regularly and export notebooks to IPENB, Py, or HTML, include requirements, TXT or environment, IML to lock dependencies. Once done, push to GitHub or use NBViewer to display it. If something breaks, check the terminal running the server for errors, clear cell outputs, and try kernel restart. If problems persist, reinstall the notebook package or switch to Jupyter Lab for a more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.